Hey there, fitness fanatics and sweet tooths alike. Welcome back to Fitness Feast, where we blend healthy living with delicious treats. Today we're diving into something extra special: 5 easy and scrumptious cake recipes that won't derail your fitness goals. Yes, you heard that right. These cakes are tasty, easy to make, and packed with ingredients that are as good for you as they are for your taste buds. So let's get baking. Our first recipe is a healthy banana oat cake. This cake is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Imagine biting into a slice of cake that's not only delicious, but also packed with wholesome ingredients. Sounds amazing, right? This one's a great way to use up those overripe bananas that are sitting on your counter, looking sad and neglected. Overripe bananas are often overlooked, but they are actually perfect for baking. Their natural sweetness and soft texture make them ideal for creating moist and flavorful cakes. And get some whole grains in your diet. Whole grain oats are a fantastic source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. They also provide a steady release of energy, keeping you full and satisfied for longer. And let me tell you, there's nothing worse than a sad black banana going to waste. It's like seeing potential go unfulfilled. But don't worry, we're here to rescue those bananas and turn them into something extraordinary. It's a tragedy, a culinary sin, but fear not, because we're about to transform these squishy, overripe bananas into a delightful cake that you'll want to make again and again. But we're going to show those bananas some love and give them a second chance to shine. Start by peeling the bananas and mashing them in a bowl. The more overripe they are, the easier they'll be to mash and the sweeter your cake will be. Turn them into something spectacular. Combine the mashed bananas with oats, a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and a dash of cinnamon for warmth. Mix everything together until you have a thick, luscious batter, something moist, nutty, and downright delicious. The texture of this cake is incredibly moist thanks to the bananas, and the oats add a lovely nutty flavor and a bit of chewiness that makes each bite interesting. This is the kind of cake that makes you feel good about what you're eating. It's not just a treat, it's a wholesome snack that you can enjoy any time of the day. Whether it's for breakfast, a mid-afternoon snack, or even dessert, this cake fits the bill. It's got fiber from the oats, potassium from the bananas, and absolutely zero guilt. None. You're nourishing your body with every bite, and that's something to feel great about. Plus, it's free from refined sugars and unhealthy fats, making it a guilt-free indulgence. So grab your aprons, you lot, and let's get this cake in the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan and pop it in the oven. In about 30 to 35 minutes, your kitchen will be filled with the irresistible aroma of freshly baked banana oat cake. Trust me, you'll be counting down the minutes until you can take that first bite. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get baking and turn those overripe bananas into a delicious, healthy treat that everyone will love. Next up, we've got a Greek yogurt lemon cake. This cake is not just any ordinary cake, it's a delightful fusion of tangy Greek yogurt and the bright zest of fresh lemons. Imagine a cake that is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. That's exactly what we have here. This one is packed with protein from the Greek yogurt and has a bright, zesty flavor. The Greek yogurt not only adds a creamy texture but also boosts the protein content, making it a healthier option compared to traditional cakes. The zest of the lemon adds a refreshing twist that will tantalize your taste buds. Now I know what you're thinking. Greek yogurt in a cake? Are you having a laugh? It might sound unusual, but the combination is a match made in heaven. The Greek yogurt brings a unique tanginess that balances the sweetness of the cake perfectly, but trust me on this one, the Greek yogurt adds a wonderful tanginess and moisture to the cake, and it keeps things light and fluffy. The texture is incredibly soft and airy, making each bite a delightful experience. Plus, the yogurt helps to keep the cake moist for days, so you can enjoy it longer. And the lemon? Well, the lemon just screams freshness. The juice and zest of the lemon infuse the cake with a vibrant citrus flavor that is both refreshing and invigorating. It's like a burst of sunshine in every bite. It's like sunshine on a plate. The golden hue of the cake combined with the bright yellow of the lemon zest makes it look as good as it tastes. It's a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. This cake is perfect for a summer barbecue or a light dessert after a big meal. Its light and refreshing flavor makes it an ideal choice for warm weather gatherings. Imagine serving this at your next outdoor event. It's sure to be a hit with everyone. It's so good, you won't even believe it's healthy. The combination of Greek yogurt and lemon not only makes it delicious but also nutritious. You can indulge in a slice or two without any guilt. So whether you're looking for a healthy dessert option or just want to try something new, this Greek yogurt lemon cake is the way to go. Give it a try and you'll see why it's a favorite among those who love a good, light and zesty treat. Chapter 3, Chocolate Avocado Cake. Don't be scared, it's delicious. Who says you can't have chocolate cake and still keep it healthy? Our chocolate avocado cake uses avocado to keep things creamy and rich. Now, before you turn your noses up at the thought of avocado in your cake, let me tell you, this is a game changer. Avocado adds a richness and a creaminess that you just can't get from butter or oil. And the best part, it's packed with healthy fats. That's right, healthy fats. So go ahead, indulge in a slice of this decadent chocolate cake. You deserve it. Chapter 4. Apple Cinnamon Cake. Warm, comforting, and simply divine. Fourth on our list is a cozy apple cinnamon cake. This cake is a delightful treat that brings together the crispness of fresh apples and the warm, aromatic spice of cinnamon. Imagine the smell of apples and cinnamon wafting through your kitchen as you prepare this cake. It's a sensory experience that starts long before you take your first bite. It's a great way to enjoy apples and get a touch of spice. The combination of sweet and tart apples with the earthy, slightly spicy flavor of cinnamon creates a harmony that is simply irresistible. Whether you use Granny Smith, Honeycrisp, or Gala apples, each variety brings its own unique flavor and texture to the cake. This cake is like a warm hug on a cold day. There's something incredibly comforting about a slice of apple cinnamon cake, fresh out of the oven, with steam rising from its golden brown surface. It's the perfect dessert to enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee, especially when the weather turns chilly. It's got that perfect balance of sweet and tart from the apples, and the cinnamon just makes it sing. The apples provide a natural sweetness and a slight tartness that complements the rich, buttery cake. And the cinnamon, it adds a depth of flavor that elevates the entire dessert to a whole new level. It's the kind of cake that you want to curl up with on the couch with a good book. Imagine a cozy evening wrapped in a blanket with a slice of this cake and your favorite novel. The warmth of the cake and the soothing aroma of cinnamon create the perfect atmosphere for relaxation. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make. You don't need to be a professional baker to whip up this delightful treat. With just a few simple ingredients and some basic kitchen tools, you can have this cake ready in no time. The recipe is straightforward and forgiving, making it perfect for both novice and experienced bakers. So easy, even a donkey could do it. The simplicity of the recipe means that even if you're not confident in your baking skills, you can still achieve great results. Plus, it's a fun activity to do with kids or friends. They can help with mixing the batter, slicing the apples, or sprinkling the cinnamon. No offense to any donkeys out there. The joy of baking this cake is not just in the eating, but in the making. It's an opportunity to create memories, share laughs, and enjoy the process as much as the final product. So gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and get ready to bake a cake that's warm, comforting, and simply divine. Chapter 5. Pumpkin Spice Cake. Spice up your life with this fall favorite. And finally, we have a pumpkin spice cake. Perfect for any time of the year, especially if you love that cozy pumpkin spice flavor. This cake is like autumn in a single bite. It's got that warm, comforting pumpkin spice flavor that just screams fall. But honestly, it's so good you'll want to make it year-round. It's perfect for a holiday gathering or just a cozy night in, and it's surprisingly healthy, so you can indulge without any guilt. Go on, have another slice. Outrow until next time on Fitness Feast. So, there you have it. 5 easy and delicious cake recipes that fit perfectly into your healthy lifestyle. Whether you're in the mood for something fruity, chocolatey, or spiced just right, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new recipe from Fitness Feast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.